under the present administration, I suspect that just making this offer of employment will not be sufficient, because they will ask us to provide proof that the prospective employer is able to employ the alien, and so they will ask us for the tax returns of the prospective employer. They will ask us, God knows what they will ask us.
And of course, this would mean a lot of backlog, right, Attorney Golan?
For sure, but this is a purpose. Don't forget, the whole purpose, the main purpose of the government is to cut down on legal immigration.
Oh, you're saying to cut down, to cut down on legal immigration. Don't you think, let's see the bright light on this one, Attorney Golan, don't you think that is also one way of reducing unemployment from people that cannot really be employed, at the same time also not exhausting, the agencies that give public benefits? What do you think?
Well, this is also a purpose. This is also a purpose. But we worked very well for the past 20 or 30 years without all those restrictions, because it is well known that most legal immigrants, a huge number of them, maybe 95 or 98%, don't go on welfare. It is well known that most of them are paying taxes and contributing to the American economy. So it was not necessary. All those restrictions were not necessary. Now, the purpose of all those, the main result of the restrictions now is to slow down the rate of immigration, even if there is no actual change in the immigration law. Congress did not make any changes in the Immigration and Nationality Act, and did not cut the quotas, did not cut the number of legal green cards that can be issued every year. But what is cutting it down is the procedures and the attitudes of the Immigration Service.
We're talking to Attorney Golan of Jack Papin Shamir and Golan Law Offices at 213-383-3222, and this is Immigration Update on the air. Attorney Golan, we know that pretty soon, well, now people are actually busy preparing for the presidential elections, and usually when this time comes around, they do encourage a lot of people to apply for citizenship. So does that mean that all these applicants will be undergoing a lot of scrutiny?
Every application for citizenship now is being scrutinized much more than before, and actually we already have statistics that the time that it takes to become an American citizen is about double what it was 2 years ago. 2 years ago you could become an American citizen in 4 or 5 months. Now it takes you about a year and sometimes more to become an American citizen. And this is because all applications are scrutinized much more diligently, much more strictly. All applications for citizenship have actually become a re-adjudication, a second adjudication of your green card. You have, in most cases, you have to re-adjudicate, reprove, redocument your eligibility to get the green card 5 or 10 or 25 years ago. Okay? So everything takes a longer time, everything is more complicated, and probably more people are getting denied.
Now, will this affect, Attorney Golan, the people, the individuals applying for asylum or the refugees?
Refugees are handled in a different way, and they are also subject to many more restrictions. We know that Mr. Sessions, before Mr. Trump fired him for not protecting Mr. Trump, issued all kinds of decisions limiting the availability of political asylum for different groups and different categories of people. so less people can apply or can be eligible for political asylum.